How to use a lot of, lots, many, much, little, few, a few, some with countable and uncountable nouns. Children, do you remember what festival we had last weekend? Right you are. It was the regional festival under the name the Antonov's Apples. As for me, I participated in the festival and bought a lot of apples in order to cook jam, but at home I saw that I had little sugar for it. I went shopping and bought some sugar and many other things. At the end of the day, I had a few glass cans with a tasty jam. What is the rule? Many, a few are used with countables only. Much, little, few are used with uncountables only. A lot of, lots of, some are used both with countables and uncountables. Your homework is write down 8 phrases with nouns, both countable and uncountable, in the plural using a lot of, lots of, many, much, little, few, a few, some.